Well, good morning. And again, you catch me quite early this morning. We've just left home and it's a little after sunrise. And I've set myself a bit of a challenge today, just to do a final video before fly out to Slovenia. I thought, let's just try and wander around Keswick, just wander around the town, see what autumn colours we can find. So I thought mostly it's going to be handheld images. So I'm heading down towards the river and then we're going to go up and just have a wander around, see what autumn colour we can find. And yeah, that's the idea. I've already got the camera out around my neck. And we'll see what we can come up with, and yeah, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, we've come into Fitz Park and we're just having a wander around. I've taken quite a few images of various trees, etc. Just seeing what I can get. It's not something I'm normally used to doing, normally getting the grand vistas, etc. But no, it's quite interesting. I mean, as you can see, looking around, there's still some colour in the trees there, although there's a lot of leaves come down. So hopefully I've got some good images. The images that I've captured here in the park I will put up after this, and then we're going to head down the main road and down by the river and see what we can find. So anyway, I'll put some images up and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, we've been through some small woods that are sort of run between the road and the river, and I've managed to get one or two images in there which we'll put up. And we're just going to head through the petrol station here, and then you'll see up there's the old railway. We're going to go on to the old railway. I haven't got an awful lot much time because I need to get home for family reasons, so we'll go through here. We'll put the images up from the wood by the river. We'll go up onto the old railway line, see if we can get one or two images, and then we'll probably need to be heading home. So right, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we're on our way back home now. I'll have put up the images taken on the old railway line. So yeah, it's a pretty short video. just on a bit of pressure to get everything done before Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Now Saturday I fly out to Lake Bled, and then so hopefully the video after this will be from Slovenia, and hopefully we'll get some epic pictures. So yeah, and I was surprised how much colour there was, particularly around the park. As I say, I will have put up quite a few images because there's not an awful lot of video. It's been a relatively short walk, but yeah, it's been interesting, a bit of a challenge. I don't normally do this sort of photography, trees and woodland, but no, it was good. So just to remind people, if you've enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And please comment if there's anything you particularly like or something you don't like. Please comment. So yeah, so we'll head back home and then we'll take it from there. So we'll see you on the next video.